Hi, in this video I will show you how to save videos on the Messenger. So the process is pretty simple. If someone send you a video on the Messenger and you like that video and you want to save that video in your phone or in your gallery, you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to log into your Facebook account and also open your Messenger on your phone. Once you will do it, after that you have to open your Messenger and open the friend chat you want to save the video in. So right now I have one video here that my friend sent me. So this video you have to long press on a video and you will see a menu bar is open on the bottom. Simply what you have to do is click on the save video. Once you will do it, this video will be saved in your device. So this is the procedure to save any video on the Messenger. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.